And Ara, so can you tell me, so what is your personal opinion on like this international representation of including Korea on this conference? Why do you think it is important?
Yeah, so our Korean market is very small. So for us, it's very necessary to go abroad. But like how these international partners and the customer can find Korean company, I think this is the key. Like attending here, like a Collision or CES or any other like big conference exhibition, like these small companies and especially startup, they can have a chance to be introduced and that they can open up their opportunities.
Hey, Ara, can you start by introducing yourself?
Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Ara from South Korea. So I'm a CEO of Ally. Ally, we are supporting tech startups to drive globally. So what we do is helping to have a profitable business and go global. And then now we are at Korean booth here in Collision, and then I would like to introduce you some nice Korean companies. Hi Nick, may I ask you what do you do and then what brought you here?
Yeah, like we're covering, so we're covering this event this year as well, and we're happy to be here. It's a lot of tech companies, so we're happy to be, covering that from Toronto Creatives, a media company. And I was gonna ask you, so for yourself, what is the best goal you want to achieve by attending this conference?
Okay, there are maybe 3 goals. Number 1 is sharing tech insight. Number 2, also sharing global insight. Also 3, supporting all these companies.
Okay, yeah. And what do you why do you think events like that are important?
Why this is important?
Yeah, why events like Collision are important?
Mm-hmm. Because here we can find a lot of opportunity and then we can see what's going on around the world. But at the same time, not everybody can come. So me, as I'm here, why not? I'm sharing with more people via also having interview and then introduce with more people. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
Awesome. And you mentioned that there are your colleagues from Korea as well introducing some technology here.
Yeah.
Do you know that you guys just chatted for a second? Can you give me a little bit of information about your colleague here?
Yeah,
yeah.
Sure. The first company called Podiavision. So I heard their pitch yesterday, and then let's see what it's about. Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Nice to meet you. I'm the CEO of 포디아이비전 희공리. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
So would you show us? Would you explain about what you are doing? And then also I heard that here it's very interesting tech that you can introduce us.
Yeah, we are a 3D sensor maker, and then our 3D sensor maker make robot arm placed precisely. Main application is smart factory application, so unmanned production possible using our 3D sensor. Robot arm very costly, but the robot arm programming is more costly actually. Even for robot scientists, robot arm programming is not that easy. So we are gonna provide the robot arm programming tool using our 3D sensor. Our 3D sensor is very some millimeter accuracy. So onto our sensor, we are developing our deep learning engine. So robot programming very easier.
So I heard that it was implemented in LG, right?
We are collaborating LG Electronics. This is LG's air conditioner manufacturing line. So we are collaborating LG, Hyundai, South Korea big company.
Okay, thank you very much. And then also I heard that here is also interesting thing can be used for the other sector.
Yeah, this is a Neo IR 3D scanner, so you can see the vein on the skin, and then.
Can we try our face?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can try it. Plastic surgery simulation possible using our 3D sensor. So you can measure the dimension of nose and shape of your face in some millimeter accuracy.
Somehow, so with your technique, we can find out how much my nose should be even higher or something like that.
Even it can detect some wrinkle and pore defect on human face.
So what do you think, what is your best outcome of this conference? So you became here and you represented your company. What's the best outcome for that?
Established my company 5 years ago, but South Korea is a major company like Samsung, Hyundai. Actually rule South Korean economy. So we need South Korean startup next generation. So I'm an engineer originally, but then for global and then Korea economic growth, I made my company.
Nice. Okay. Yeah. No. Thank you so much. Well, enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you find it really helpful for you. Okay. Thank you. So, do you think in the future are you gonna come back to Collision?
Oh yeah, sure. So last year I came here for the first time. This is my second time, and then hopefully to come next year too.
How is it different this time for you?
This time, so last year for me it was like eye-wise opening experience, because not only for all the conferences, but also meeting these nice people, not only for their business.
Yeah.
So for me that was nice. And then this year I met several people that I met last year, and then it has been really great so far, because investor, a startup, or can be organization of governments. Somehow we became a kind of friend, and then supporting each other, and then we find a project that we can work on. So it has been great.
Did you find good connections here?
Oh yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, especially you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we've been hanging out for a bit. Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day here.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
여기에 오시면 정말 유명한 연사들의 정말 인사이트 가득한 그런 컨퍼런스도 들을 수 있으시고요. 그리고 각종 부스, 여러 나라에서 모인 사람들이 많은 노력을 통해서 표현하는 그런 제품과 서비스를 보실 수 있습니다. 이번에 한국관도 정말 인상 깊었는데요. 정말 내년이 기대됩니다. 여러분, 그러면은 내년에도 콜리전에서 만나요.